I had just bought a house with my significant other, and I was thinking about going bankruptcy, and I was wondering, do I have to include my home in it?
Very good question. That's another fundamental question of bankruptcy, Diane. Thank you for asking it. When you file bankruptcy, you have to list all of your debts and all of your assets. So this home is going to be an asset of yours, and the debt that's on it is going to be a debt of yours. So you have to add it in there. Now, that's the bad news. The good news is that there are ways that you can keep that. If you're in a Chapter 7 case, you can sign what's called a reaffirmation agreement with the creditor, reaffirming your obligation on that note and keeping that house. If you Chapter 13s are pretty much designed to help you if you're behind on that house to catch it up over a 5-year period. But you do have to list it. I had a client get in trouble here a couple of months ago who didn't list a house he owned somewhere else. His daughter was living in, so that's a cautionary tale. List all of your debts and all of your assets.
Okay, I'll leave nothing out.
Why don't you explain just briefly the difference between a 7 and 11?
7 and 13.
7 and 13.
Yeah, I get
There's
11.
an 11, and 7 and 13 are both in Title 11, if I remember correctly.
11 U.S.A., yes, sir. Well, Chapter 7 lasts about 3 months. It's specifically designed to kill your unsecured debt, like medical bills, credit cards, and as I was telling Diane, you can reaffirm your secured debt if you want to. Chapter 13 lasts 5 years. It's called a wage earner plan. You pay a portion of your income monthly, semi-monthly, bi-weekly, however often you get paid into the case. And then it adjusts your debts. You pay anywhere from 0% to 100% of your unsecured debt while catching up on your secured debt over that 5-year period.